This is a beautiful 1926 Model T Fordor. Very nice condition. And you may wonder about the color, but it's red because it was originally a fire chief's car. And here's a driver, student driver. They just arrived and is kept making a place for the dog. And meanwhile, the dog is patiently waiting there in the open car. Beautifully redone. Notice the original type materials that are used. Just gorgeous. There's the chair the dog is going to be seated on. Notice how the windshield pushes out for ventilation. And down here you can see in this tire here the speedometer hookup. And notice the 1926 Florida license plate. Perfect condition. And that's how you could tell the temperature of your coolant. Little thermometer there, give you an idea. And there, of course, is the crank for manually starting the car, but this vehicle also has an electric starter. And those are, of course, wooden spoke wheels. And here's the dog ready for the new area to recreate in. There's the flowers that decorate the vases there in the car. That was a typical installation back in the time. Spare tire here in the back, and you notice how the bumper is sprung there. It takes some pressure on it without caving in the way the metal is bent there. Gives some springing action. And there's the dog and her new seat. It's great to have these companions come with you when you're at a show. Notice the little fan there to help cool the interior. And in a minute we're going to get to see the engine. And as you can imagine, it's just as beautifully restored as the rest of the car. And I think you realize that there's a lot of wood in this car. The doors were framed in wood. And there's the engine. An alternator has been installed. Very nicely done.